kind of a tight one to get into. I'll show you what we're doing. Ripping this blacktop driveway out. I was gonna haul it all the way to my house, but my dad's good buddy's right down here, and he just stopped by and said, hey, you can dump it down here. So we're gonna go scope out the situation. Maybe 2 points might be coming together on this Tuesday after was it Labor Day? Labor Day was yesterday. Never long enough. Got the county coming up the road with their bush hog. That's awesome. So that's John and Brandy. That's her dad, Alan. He was kind of like a legend back when we were in high school. He raised deer here. And the big thing we did when we were in high school, we always spotlighted. So guys would come up here spotlighting. He would get in his car, chase you, shoot up in the air. Wild. Like I said, it was a different time back then. But man, that's gonna help versus running it 30 minutes to my house dumping it. I figured he'd take it. This type of guys, they like that stuff. Let's get up here and I'll show you what we got going on. That's right. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, it makes me sick too. That big old crush in the side of my Mini makes me sick. $500 job cost me $1,500. Bite down, killer. The fun will come. Here's what we got. Tearing out this driveway. What do you think, Carleato?
I don't know.
Getting the blacktop out of here, getting it prepped for more blacktop. Got to get our angles right. Brian, got to get our angles right here for a drain, tie into this. Get a drain running all the way out, lower that, lay it back. Yeah, just a nice, simple Tuesday. Here we go, the first brick out of the wall. That stuff's gonna break up like, that's just gonna break into little niblets. I thought it was gonna break into pieces. Is it full load Tuesdays?
Where's he want that at down there?
He's got a spot. He's gonna move a trailer right up, just right off the road there.
On the other side of the road, or
that side?
on the
right by my equipment hauler. We don't need to swing it. I don't need to swing it, Dad.
You ain't gonna do that?
No. Look what I'm trying here today, fam. What is this? Yerba mate. It's supposedly healthy for you. I took one and drank one the other day. I was just licking the ground. That ain't horrible. It ain't awesome, but it ain't horrible. It's supposed to be good for you, but I don't know. Let's get on the Mini and pull that stuff back. Figure I'd try to maybe cut back on the energy drinks a little bit. I was in the hospital seeing my buddy this weekend. His liver shut down from drinking. Not gonna be good. I don't want to be there. That's the thing, doing it here and there ain't a big deal, but get in the habit every day, and then I was in the habit of 2 a day. That's got a horrible aftertaste, I'll tell you that. Get it pulled away from this, you gotta watch it, get up in that garage, you curl your bucket, the back of that bucket, it'll get you. Ask me how I know that. I know that because I was doing a concrete job and I did that and I broke somebody's glass window out of their door. That's how I know. Man, I'll tell you, Alan letting us dump down there, that saved us a huge amount of time. That's the thing when you're doing this type of stuff, man. You just got to keep, man, I lay in bed and I think, where can I dump that, man? I know there's somebody around here that wants that fill versus running at 35. We're right down the road. That's huge. When that thing's only getting 6 miles to a gallon, you're paying Colston 45 bucks an hour and Hammer 85. That adds up. Bring it on back. Back to square one. Man, I tell you, I just had I've had Treaty in my head for months. Not just because they're bangers. Hammer's over there drooling, waiting for something to do. It's actually kind of better if I break it up with this shit. With the mini, gets it in a little smaller niche. Put it in the line here, and then I can come with the bucket. couldn't tell, we got a little new approach. I'm not doing with the mini no more. I just wanted to kind of get that to claw the edges up. Definitely loading's taking too long. Man, I just had a drive motor fault sensor on this thing. Started beeping, lighting up, and that's just what you need, you know. But it quit, so let's cross our fingers, hope we make it through without having to get Cat out here to fix it. And I gotta ask you, family members, what do you think I needed to do to make this channel grow, man? I've been banging out 3 shorts a week on all platforms and 2 long form on YouTube. You guys give me awesome positive feedback, and I look for those comments, so don't be afraid. We're all cut from the same cloth. Speak your mind, tell me what's up. But man, what do I need to do to make this channel grow? I don't know. Do I need to get on other channels' podcasts? Do I need to get shout outs? I mean, I don't know. I've been putting a lot of effort, and I just 1,000, 2,000 views, that ain't cutting it for me. And it's to the point where, man, I'm putting a lot of effort in for no return. Let me know if you all have any ideas. And if there's people you like watching, reach out to them. Get me on a podcast. Do something. Let's take this family to the next step. Definitely a grind, but man, as much as I've been grinding to get the results that I'm getting is not, I don't know, I think YouTube shadow banning me. Honestly do. Now, I feel like the content I'm putting out's good. You guys give me responses, say you like it, so I don't know. Don't be ever afraid to comment though. I look forward to that. That's a big thing when I put out videos, looking for them comments. There's the guy that's letting us dump, Brandy's dad. Huge help. One of my dad's longtime buddies. Oh, golly. Man, I really hope I hear something from the state of Indiana here, or I don't know if the state of Indiana, it's the whole country, about the new idea that I got coming. Something that's going to pertain to all of my family members. It's been, they said it would take 6 months, and it's been, I'd say, every bit of that. I'm excited about it. I think you guys will like it too. When that breaks, this stuff just pops forward. I think we're getting pretty full. You can feel when it ain't wanting to come out of the bucket. God damn, hammer about took off with my bucket in the bed. Jesus. Whew, that made my heart go. I hear the train a-coming, which is the hammer. Man, it's awesome having a 2-minute turnaround. Man, I keep smelling something burning. I'm like, what the hell is it? And it's my buddy Mark that I'm doing a job for, did a big old burnout before we got it here. He's a big old gearhead, muscle head. Hammer's hitting on all 8 today. So is Colston. Come on back with your bad selves. You got it? Come on back. You got it? Got her. He put her in there. Yes, right. That's good right there. Good a spot of any. Don't be hating, but I forgot all about my family members down there on the floorboard. Got everything pretty much out, hauled out. Man, it helped big time having that closed. Just crumbing up this last little bit here. Save a little bit of these niblets here to seat that culvert. It's like 3 o'clock. I think we got here about 11. Not too bad of progress. Got all this out. Have to take a little bit of this bump out here. Now he wants us to rip that hill. So they're laying there real nice. I think that's about it for today. I don't want to get too carried away. Just ain't feeling like, well, I could, but it's 3 o'clock. Bang go the bells. Executive decision. That's all we're doing for today. I'm gonna have him get rip wrap in the morning. He wants to rip wrap that now. And we'll get these grades cut down, get this cut down, get that to grade. That's a big thing I want to do, is just get everything out of here hauled out, and then we'll start cutting grades tomorrow.
You don't have to. Just take the bracket and the whole sign down here. We're going to use it tomorrow. So don't take it apart.
What Hammer said. And on that note, keep commenting, keep liking. Doing that too. Like always. They won't even let me get inside to get out and get my truck. Jesus! Well, don't go so fast.
Slow down.
Have to throw me off. Golly, I was hanging on the side. Hammer laid the hate to her. That threw me off. Damn sports dump truck. It's quitting time. He's ready to go.